internationally hosted. I've provided you with everything. You have so much money at your disposal. Yet, you don't want others to eat the crumbs that fall from your table. What is it?
The question is, must they keep banging on my gate like that? Why? Especially whenever they are waiting here in town. I mean, they keep trooping in and out like that. The whole thing is making me sick already. Can't you get it?
Do you know who you're talking about?
Of course.
These are my people.
So?
I love them and they love me. You expect me to turn my back on them? How?
Listen, sweetheart. As long as they keep coming in and out of this dynasty unannounced, I will keep throwing them away like piece of trash.
Like seriously?
Of course.
Now let me ask you. Who are they coming to meet? No, tell me, is it you? The answer is no. They are coming to meet me. So what's your problem?
No, husband, you didn't get it. You and I are one. So if they're coming to see you, they're coming to see me. Can't you act like other politicians? I mean, others go to the office with one thing in mind.
Which is?
Which is to grab money. To get it in quantum to become richer. Don't tell me that you are going to this office to rent there. Is that what you want to tell me?
So you think I became a politician just to loot the people's fund? No! I went into that office to make sure that I enrich people, to bring them out of poverty. That is my single objective. So if you think I will go there and steal, the answer is capital no! Okay?
No, you're going to do it. You will do exactly as I have said. You will do it. Of course.
Now let me ask you this. What does it profit a man if he gains the whole world, the whole wealth, only to lose his soul to the devil?
Now what is this? You are now sounding like a preacher. I get married to a politician and not some pastor.
And I am telling you that I am a political Christian. So take it from me. I am not a thief.
Hold on, sweetheart. I'm missing you already.
You see why I always miss you?
I know. You will always be my baby.
I better go now because my flight is in 30 minutes.
I know.
Take care of yourself and my boy.
I will.
Alright?
good bumps all over my body.
No. What kind of feelings am I having? And it's becoming stronger. I hope it's not a bad sign. I hope my husband is safe out there.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Jack. Has my dad left for the airport?
Yes, he has, sir.
What time did he leave?
That was like few moments ago.
How could you have forgotten that Dad had a crucial meeting in Abuja?
Come in. Come in.
Mom?
You're back.
Yes, I'm back. I heard Dad just left for the airport.
He left some minutes ago.
That's good. I wanted to see him, but it's okay. It's fine. I'll call him over the phone. I'll be in my room just in case you need me, okay? Mom?
Now what's funny?
Relax.
No, what's funny?
You'll miss your husband. Okay. Yes, of course you're supposed to miss your husband. He is your husband. But you have to start getting used to the fact that he is now a senator. He is in power. His place is now in Abuja.
As if I don't know of that.
But Mom, this is what you have always wanted. You've always wanted to be in power. You've always wanted the affluence, the good that comes with it, the joyful moments, traveling first class. Come on, you know what I'm saying? This is what you always wanted, Mom. Right?
I don't know why I'm feeling this way, Ramsey.
How?
I feel like something bad is about to hit this family.
Something bad? No, come on. Mom, nothing bad is going to happen to us. We are fine. We're okay. Nothing bad will happen. I don't know where this is coming from, but trust me, we're good. And you'll be strong. You've always been the strong woman that I know. I'm sure you're just missing that. That's all.
This one is very strong. The feeling is so strong.
Okay. Let's just say you're really missing that. If you ask me, I think you're really missing that. And I remember him telling you, or telling us rather, that we should move over to Abuja with him. But you refused. I guess you did that because of the businesses here, right? Your business is here.
Yeah.
Mom, take it from me. Nothing bad is going to happen to us. Okay? We'll be fine. And you've got me. Your son. Your adorable son. I like to think myself as your only child.
Oh, you're not.
I know, right? Well, you'll be good, okay?
Thank you.
You'll be fine. I promise.
Do you want to sleep here?
I know you're good now, right?
I'm good.
Fine, right? I'll be in my room if you need anything. You let me know.
Okay.
Smile.
Heart of stone, heart of evil. Can I ask you one more time? What have you done? With no remorse, no emotions. Can I ask you one more time? How do you feel? The pain that she feels, the tears that she cries. I wanna know, yeah. What have you gained at the top of your mind? Deep down your soul. Can you tell me now?
Oh, Abby, my handsome and hard-working husband. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. Meeting you was just magical. Loving and getting married to you was just the best decision I have taken as a woman. Abby, you have condoned me irrespective of my flaws. Thank you. Very neat.
So that's the way it is.
But sweetheart,
Yes.
how about vying for the position of the Senate in your constituency? I mean, have you thought about that and its benefits?
No. I've never given thought to it. I'm comfortable where I am. In the House of Representatives.
You might be comfortable, but I'm Margaret, your wife. I've got my eyes on the presidential seat. And believe me, I will never rest till we get to Asterok.
Margaret. Why this inordinate quest for power? I mean, it was your quest for power that made me to contest for the position of the House of Reps in the first place.
And you won.
Of course I did.
So,
But I'm comfortable where I am.
I am not. Like I said earlier, I've got my eyes on the presidential seat. And I would never rest till we get to Asterok. Come on, sweetheart, it's not a bad thing.
Well, I'll think about it. Bring the matter up during our party meeting.
Okay,
And check out how others will react to it.
that's a good one.
Yeah, but to be honest, you need to tune down.
No, tune down. Come. No. Sweetheart.
DFP Progressive Movement Party. DFP Progressive Movement Party. Progressive Movement Party. DFP. Thank you very much. You're all welcome. As you can see, we are here to celebrate the victory of our amiable doctor. As the, because we believe as a man of vision, he will deliver. BNP Progressive Movement Party. BNP Progressive Movement Party. Progressive Movement Party. BNP. Thank you very much. Thank you. And once again, as you all know, the general elections are by the corner, or rather it's by the corner. And we are very hopeful that as a man of vision that Dr. Abe is going to come out first. Yes. And he's going to be the next senator of his constituency. Oh yeah.
Thank you, my chairman.
Thank you, my senator to come.
Yes, in the making.
In the making.
Yes.
Congratulations.
BNP
Progressive Movement Party.
BNP
Progressive Movement Party.
Progressive Movement Party. When the chairman has said it all,
Yes.
I want to thank you for the various roles that you played in supporting me to win the primaries. I don't want to talk about my beautiful wife here. She's the foundation that is holding the monument. Don't worry, I know what to do at home. In the other room. In the other room. I want to also solicit your support in the coming general elections so that we can all smile to the other candidates.
Oh.
Okay? And I guarantee you, I promise that I will keep to my promises. Everything you see in my manifesto shall be well taken care of to the letter. BNP
I'm so happy.
Yes. So I am.
Ah, my senator.
My beautiful wife. I must commend you. I mean, I admire you, your courage, your drive, your support for me over the years. Thank you for all you're doing.
Aww.
Huh?
Sweetheart, you're well deserving of everything you've got.
Okay.
Believe me, I'm sure you don't even know the reason I accepted your proposal years ago.
No.
Confession. Let me confess, sweetheart.
Go ahead.
Over the years, you have been such an outstanding personality and an outspoken good of our time. Sweetheart, your eloquence sweeps me off my feet each time you speak.
Now I'm blushing.
Oh, sweetheart, I'm not finished.
Go ahead.
You're young, outstanding, smart, intelligent, educated. You've got all the qualities, to become the president of Federal Republic of Nigeria. But it's all right, sweetheart. You are now the senator. First and first, it's okay to become a senator. But at the end of your tenure, which is at the expiration of your tenure, I want you to vie for the seat of the Senate President. I'm sure you will get it. Once you've gotten it, which means we are very close to Asarok, to the presidential seat of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
My wonderful wife.
Yes, baby.
So ambitious.
Ah.
You don't chicken out when you embark on a project. It's a virtue.
When you look at your wife, what do you see? Now, what do you see? Well, when I look at myself, I see myself as a future First Lady of this country.
My First Lady.
Oh, my president, stop.
I love you more.
Oh, I'm so happy for you, baby.
Yeah, I'm happy myself. Without you, no drive. You are the engine room.
Stop it. All right. And after the general election, my husband, Honorable Dr. Abbey, was announced the winner. He became the senator, and I was extremely happy. Progressive Movement Party, PMP, celebrated his victory. I'm happy.
PMP, Progressive Movement Party. PMP, Progressive Movement Party. Progressive Movement Party. PMP. We are progressive indeed. Oh yeah. I will have progressively marched into victory. Yes. Together we have won. Oh yeah. Together we are victorious. Yes. And together we shall march into the Harvard chamber. PMP! Progressive Movement Party! PMP! Progressive Movement Party! Progressive Movement Party! PMP! Now exposed. Oh! For a victory was declared. Oh yes! We are toasting to victory. Yes. Yes. Congratulations, my senator. Congratulations, my able senator.
My husband went to the Senate, and I became the most happiest woman on earth immediately he was sworn into the office. I started walking graciously with my shoulders high and nose in the air, and never mind whose ass is correct. Power is sweet. Power and wealth is just like a sweet wine that intoxicates. Well, people hate my guts. They complain that I'm wicked and pompous, but who cares?
Heart of evil. Can I ask you one more time? What have you done? With no remorse, no emotion.
That's what I'm going on here. Good afternoon, my dear.
Jack, what's going on?
What's all this? Chairman is visiting the motherless baby home and the orphanage home today, so these are some of the items he wants to pass to them.
All this.
Just right.
Hey, now you look at me when I'm talking to you, my friend.
Okay, so yeah.
Oh, Senator Abe. Tell me what is going on.
Oh, you mean this?
Of course.
They are for the less privileged and the orphans in the chief.
I beg your pardon? How? You mean you want to take all this to where with people? I'm asking you, Senator.
Come on, Margaret. I'm only trying to extend a hand of benevolence to the less privileged. Who am I? I'm their benefactor. I need to help them. Okay? And it might surprise you to know that their prayers have helped me in remaining in the Senate up to now.
Your prayers? Can you hear yourself? It is now your prayers. They are prayers, not mine anymore. I personally paved your way to the Senate. I want you to have that in mind. So whenever you want to do some certain things, you have to include me, your wife, Margaret. I orchestrated everything and made everything work. And today, you are a senator. Only for you to tell me you keep reminding me every day, each time, that your prayers, not my own anymore. Now you listen to me, Senator. I will not allow you to take this thing anywhere. Alright, without my consent, I will not let you do it.
Look, Margaret, I appreciate the fact that you orchestrated everything. I mean, you were the prime mover. But don't forget, these are my people. As we speak, some of them don't even know when their next meal is coming. So this is just an act of love and kindness towards them. Okay? So please, let me carry out this action. Let our people, let them breathe.
Let them breathe? They should go to the farm and breathe. What do you mean by that? I would not allow you to step an inch without understanding.
Margaret.
Yes!
While I was campaigning, these were the things I put in my manifesto. Please allow me as an honest politician to implement my manifesto to the left.
I am aware.
Okay?
Yes!
And if you check my manifesto, these are part of it.
Oh, these are part of it!
Allow me to implement my manifesto to the letter. Okay?
Sugar heart, read my lips. I will not allow you step an inch. You will not leave this dynasty. I will not allow you to it.
Really?
Oh, really, really.
Son, let's go.
Yeah. You're not going anywhere. Hey! Never you talk to me. Let me see how you will move this vehicle from this premises.
Margaret! What is this? Huh?
You thought I was joking. Let me see how you move this vehicle. Move, let me see.
Who are you?
Good morning, my son.
Good morning, ma. What do you want?
I heard that the senator is in town, so I'm here to see him.
Yes, he's in town. Sorry, man. Do you have any official appointment with the senator?
No, I don't. I am a widow. I came to see if he can give me some money to feed my family. That's why I'm here. Oh, Biko.
This is very hard. But let me see what I can do. Come inside.
Thank you. Super. Thank you, my son.
You can sit.
Thank you.
Please just make sure you're seated. I'm coming.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm in town. I've actually been around for a while now. Yes. It's okay. But please, let me call you back, okay? Fine. Yes, what is it, Jack?
Good morning, Chairman.
Good morning.
There is an old widow at the gate. She wants to see you, sir.
Old widow.
Yes, sir.
Did she tell you why she's here?
No, she didn't.
Okay, bring her in. Okay?
What do you, sir? Okay, man. The senator said I should bring you in.
Thank you, my son.
You're welcome.
My God will bless you. Oh,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you, my son. Hi.
How are you?
How's the family? Please sit down.
Hold on, please. No. You don't have to sit. You keep standing. You can.
Excuse me?
Excuse you what, sweetheart? What? What kind of heart do you have? I mean, are you seriously expecting this dirty old woman to sit on my couch with her? Let me with her. Stop what, please? What are you embarrassing her? Embarrassing her as how? How?
Look, woman, this is my house, and I decide who sits and who doesn't, okay? Mama, please sit.
But this is my house too. Keep standing, please. You can see she's even jacket.
Mama, sit down. Sit down.
I came here to tell you something that is important, but I can see that you still want to entertain dirty people.
Mama, you're welcome. Please, I'm sorry for that embarrassment, okay? Now tell me, why are you here this morning?
Senator, I heard you are around. I'm fine, but I go. Hunger. No food. I go.
I'm happy that you are okay, alright? That health-wise you are okay. If it is food, forget it. I'll take care of it, okay? Jack. Yes, sir? Go to my room and bring something for Mama, okay? Thank you. So, tell me to. Your family is fine. Okay, don't worry. It's alright. Okay. on, sir. Give it to her.
Mama, this is for you.
Hey. Oh, Ade, my son.
Mama, God will bless you. Please, 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 stand up.
God will bless you.
Stand up. Don't kneel down.
Hey! Oh. You see, the God of the widows will bless you.
Amen.
You see, in this forthcoming presidency election, that Asobila, you will get there.
Amen.
The God of the widows will take you there.
It's okay, but
God will
please
bless you.
stand up.
Oh,
Okay?
my God will bless you. Oh!
You know what? It's alright, eh? Now, I will send my boys to bring some food stuff for you in your house, okay?
Thank you.
So, don't worry, everything will be fine.
Abe Ifeanyi Chukwu. Abe Ifeanyi Chukwu, man.
God will bless you.
Amen.
You will get to Asobila. Eh? The God of the widows that you have been helping all these years. Eh? He will talk for you.
Amen.
He will speak for you.
Amen.
You will get there. Thank you.
Oh, please, please.
Thank you.
Stop kneeling down for me, please.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
God bless you.
It's alright.
Jack.
Yes, sir. See her up, okay?
Thank you very much.
It's alright.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
God bless you.
I wanna know, what have you gained at the top of your mind, deep down your soul? Can you tell me now, what have you done? Heart of stone, heart of evil. When you see a tear she cry, how does it feel? I know you've got no remorse. Do you even have a conscience?
Margaret, let me have that money, please.
What money again?
Let me have the money my husband gave to you.
So he gave it to me to feed.
You think I'm joking with you? What is all this?
Andre, what did I do to you now? Your husband gave me the money to feed with. Why are you taking it now?
That's big money for you?
Margaret, what did I ever do to you now?
If I touch you now, you will hit your head on the wall and die. So behave.
Margaret, why are you like this? What did I do to you? Give me the money your husband gave to me to feed it now. Hey, Margaret, give me the money.
When you see a tear she cry.
Hey, oh God, what kind of life is this? What have I done now? What have I done? What did I do to this woman? Huh? Which one will I feed? I don't even have a dime on me. Hey, Margaret, what did I do to you? Oh God, take my life, let me die and go and feed my husband. Hey, what is this now? God. Senator, I want to die. I want to die and go to my husband and my children. I don't know what else to do.
Why? Were you attacked by armed robbers?
Yes, your wife took the money you gave to me. Your wife came here.
My wife?
The money. Yes, she just left with the money. What did I ever do to her? I don't know.
It's okay, it's okay. I will give you another one. Let's go, let's go. Okay? Let's go. Please get up. Get up, please. Please. Get up. Get up. Hold your... Dust yourself, dust yourself. Let's go.
Let's go. I don't know what I did to Margaret, your wife.
Baby. Margaret. What did you do out there this morning?
I don't understand what you're getting at.
Oh, don't just pretend. Don't pretend not to know what I'm talking about. How could you do such a thing?
Hey, you're still getting me confused.
Really?
What?
Now tell me. Did you retrieve the money I gave to that poor widow?
Of course. Do you have any problem with that?
Of course I do. Why would you do that? I mean, how could you do such a thing?
Let me tell you what you don't understand, sweetheart. You see those women you're sharing our money, our rappers, foodstuffs too? They don't mean well for you. Their mission is just to pull you down.
And how is that your problem?
It is my problem because you're my husband.
No, you leave that for me to bother. Okay? Now, let me have that money this way.
Why will I give you the money? It's not mine.
What is life if you cannot help those that need help? Huh? Now let me ask you this question. How do you sleep at night?
Oh, very comfortable on my waterbed.
Oh, really? Oh, you need advice. Let me advise you. Those things you think matter most in life, a time will come when they will matter nothing to you. You go out there embarrassing me with your malicious behavior. Imagine that poor widow rolling on the ground because you took the money I gave to her to sustain her and her family. How could you? How wicked are you? Oh, come on. Margaret, I didn't get married to a sadist. Why do you derive joy in causing people pains? Why do you make people sad all the time?
Abby, I'm not a sadist. And I've not even started with your people. Of course. Why must they keep barging in and out all the time begging you for money? You are not their bank. Now what is all this?
Margaret, I do what I do because they are my people. Moreover, giving is living. Putting smiles on the faces of people brings joy to my soul. That is why I do what I do.
Maybe you have forgotten all you've done for your people. Abby, let me remind you. Maybe you have forgotten all you've done for your people.
Tell me.
You single-handedly turned this local small town called Iche to London. Of course you did that. You also constructed the roads of this Iche. You single-handedly also gave them a good pipe-borne water. You didn't end there. You built a wonderful school, not it. You built schools for them and gave them free education. It didn't just end there. You gave them good hospitals. Where they go, and receive their treatments free of charge, put to bed free of charge, which is why all the time they take it in and out, go there because it's free of charge. Everything, courtesy of who? Abe. Now, does it mean these people cannot give you a moment of rest for you to relax with your family?
Am I complaining?
Have you not done enough already?
No. I'll do more.
Oh.
Do you know why? We are talking about my people. They came out en masse to vote for me during the election. And yes, their votes counted. I acknowledge the fact that you may have motivated me out of my comfort zone to contest for the seat of the Senate in my constituency. But without their votes, that exercise would have been in futility. So yes, I will continue to do more. And there is nobody, I repeat, nobody can stop me from doing that. Not even you.
The tears that she cries, what have you gained? At the top of your mind.
My husband's given lifestyle is the only problem I have with him. He's willing to give even his last penny just to ensure that his people are happy.
Honestly, I don't believe that. Thank you, Dr. Abbott. This man was full of life. Yes.
Obviously, Chairman. I actually spoke with him yesterday on his way to the airport. I'm totally surprised about this. I never believed the rumor until I heard it on the news as at 9 p.m. yesterday.
Campaign manager, same here with me. Senator Dr. Abbey and I spoke on the phone before he boarded a flight that claimed his life.
They killed my husband. The bad eggs in politics killed my husband.
Please don't allow what you are about saying now to leave the confines of this room. The words have ears, you know. I beg you.
Oh, what will happen, Party Chairman? What will happen? No, let him come and kill me as well. I will keep saying it. Of course they killed my husband. Yes, and wait. Of course they know well that my husband doesn't live in Abuja. That he's coming from Ichi, for the senatorial meeting. And they waited and killed my husband.
What? In as much as I know that we are bereaved over my father's departure, it is imperative that we watch our utterances at this point. Just like the party chairman said, the walls have ears.
I don't care. I don't care. I need them to come and kill me as well. That's the only time they'll be able to close this mouth permanently. Else I will kill. This day that they killed my husband. I lured Abe into politics. And I forgot that this politics is a dirty game. Oh!
The immediate family of Senator Dr. Abe, the extended families and all the party members. At this juncture, let us rise to give Senator Dr. Abe 1 minute silence.
That's right.
May the soul of Senator Dr. Abe and all the faithful departed rest in perfect peace.
Amen. Amen.
Let us
They have just killed my husband.
It's okay, Mom.
Mom, it's okay.
We can stay together.
Alright?
Lady Mag, it's okay. Everything is going to be fine. It's okay.
Alright. Let us not cry like those who have lost hope already. It is alright.
It's okay, Mom, okay?
Dad,
Yes.
so this is Nigeria.
Yes, my daughter.
Dad, for real?
Yes, son.
Daddy,
Yes, son.
Nigeria is beautiful.
You can say
I like it.
What? What are you saying? That is not true.
What do you say Nigeria is beautiful? I mean, Nigeria can look like the US, you know. I love America.
Nigeria is beautiful and you are back to your country to stay. You better get it done.
Oh, Mom, I don't like this place. Can we just go back already?
Don't worry, you'll get to like it in time.
Child, we have lost a soul. What did we do? Does Abby deserve to die? The only senator that has our back.
Hey! I hope it's gone. Please, let's go.
I'm very sorry, ma. I can't let any of you in here, Mama. My lady has instructed that no one goes inside aside from the immediate family and close relatives, please.
Hey!
You all can mourn out here. I'm sorry, Mama.
Abby, my son. Abby, you didn't tell me you were going so soon. I was here the last time you came back. What is happening? At least let's condole with the family. His son, at least.
I'm sorry, Mama. I can't allow that. I'm only following instructions.
Hey, Abby, my son. Hey!
I wouldn't do that if I were you. Please step backward. I don't want to use force on you. Please. Step backward.
Dad, my brother and I are citizens of California. I don't even know why you and Mom decided to bring us back to this place.
Mom, just remember, it's all sincerity of heart. Do you like Nigeria? Definitely. No, Mommy, you don't like Nigeria. I know you don't like it.
Irie, don't worry, you'll get used to it, okay? What? Is this your phone? Don't you have your own phone?
Don't worry, what you do.
Please stop it.
What?
Junior!
That is Ario.
Junior, you're not saying anything. You like it, so.
Of course, Mom. I don't know what's wrong with Ario.
Okay? You're alone.
Junior, you're sure you like Nigeria?
That state is our country. I love Nigeria.
Whatever.
You can only go to US again when you're on vacation.
You're the best dad in the whole world.
Yeah.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, son. I know that very soon you get used to this country. It's a very wonderful country.
Hopefully, Dad. I pray so. Because at this point, I'm feeling so hot.
Daddy, don't mind her. I want to stay. I like Nigeria.
Junior.
What?
You're sure? Whatever.
Yes, Daddy.
I hope you are okay.
Yes, Dad, I'm fine. In as much as you say everything goes.
Yes. Anytime there is migration, you and Junior will go to US. I'll spend it.
Oh! Really? That is the best news ever. Thank you so much, Daddy. Sounds nice, yeah?
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, wow.
That's what I have to do.
George, my son, that's it. Your father is gone. But that's the truth. Your father is gone. The most annoying part of it is that we couldn't even find your dad's remains for us to at least commit him to Mother Earth. Yes, please. My dear, they killed your father. What?
Mom, please just stop already, okay? You should not be sowing the seed of discord with these people.
Now will you shut up your mouth? What do you know?
I know that my father is a victim of circumstance. That's what happened.
My dear, I'm telling you that the witches in it, she killed your father.
A while ago you said it was my father's political detractors that killed him. And here you are now saying that it's witches from Ichi that killed him. What is wrong with you, brother? Why are you acting this way? My father was a very good man. A very, very good man. And I know that there is no one in Ichi that would raise a finger against my father because they loved him.
Ramsey is wrong, absolutely wrong. They killed your father. The witches killed him. What does he know? He doesn't know anything. Anyway, let's leave all that. Please tell me, sweetheart, how is US?
My name is Ike. And what? Ike, no, don't do your power.
No, I can't pronounce that. I'll call you Emi.
So what? Then, madam, where are you? Madam, you're welcome, ma.
Thank you. How are you?
Fine, ma. Ike,
go and get the things and the books.
Oh.
Dad. Daddy? Is this the house you've been telling us about?
Yes, our house.
Oh, it is beautiful, I must say.
Thank you. I said that again.
Oh, Dad, you know, I never knew Nigeria has taste for good things actually.
But I live abroad, so I have to bring something good over there down to Nigeria.
Oh, that's nice.
Let's go inside.
I can do you, Papa.
hope it does.
Everything is going
Oh yeah, come on.
My father's death would have been averted if only you were very nice to people. If only you were calm and treated people like they were human beings.
Oh, what nonsense are you talking about? Why will you blame your father's death on me? I'm asking you.
I'm telling you the truth, mother, you caused it. You caused it. I'm talking to you, yes.
So what nonsense are you talking about? Will you close your mouth? I'm asking you.
If only you would treat people nicely. You treat people like they are trash. You don't show compassion. You don't treat people like they are human beings. You treat them like they are nobodies. That is not right. That's not fair. Think about it. Think about it.
Ramsey.
You know, Mama Nugu said something. If only you had listened, if only you were just calm enough to hear what she had to say that day, my father would still be alive today.
Who is there? Mama Nuku.
I have an important message for the senator. Okay. I must see the senator now.
Mama, Lady Margaret is inside and she would never allow you to see the senator. So it will be best you give me the message, then I'll deliver it to the senator, please.
It's for his ears alone. Eh? It's for the
No, Mama, please. Mama, please. No, Mama, please. You can't go in. You can't go in. No, Mama. I cannot let you in. Lady Margaret is around. Just give me the message, then I'll convey it to you.
What are you doing here, Mama?
I have a message for the senator. It's very important. Please allow me to speak. Huh? There is an impending danger. I saw it clearly in my
Mama, look, what are you doing here? Oh, have I not told you before not to step your foot in that premises? What is wrong with you, Mama Nuku?
Let me just see the senator. Let me see him. Please, I beg of you. Oh, please. Let me see the senator. It's very important and urgent. Oh, please.
Are you now a prophetess, Mama Nuku? Come, this woman. It's like you like trouble, oh. You like trouble, Mama Nuku. All you want me to do now is just to push you one hand and you fall on the floor, hit your head on the ground and die. And they will call Margaret a murderer. Is that what you want?
No, there's no got into that. Let me just see him.
I would.
If you utter a word, I will teach you a lesson you will not forget in Horror-Jack. Get out! Margaret, did anything happen? It is you that something will happen to and not my husband. You better keep quiet.
Mama, you have to
the gods of our land will bear me witness that I tried saving Senator.
Hey! Please. Hey! The gods of our land.
You caused it. You caused it. To you, everyone who was coming close to my father was doing so because of his money. You caused it. They loved him. They loved him because he was very compassionate. They loved him because he treated them nicely. That's against how you treat people. All you do is antagonize them. How would you ever think that people he gave his life for would want to hurt him? Now he's dead. I hope that makes you happy.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. Abby, forgive me wherever you are. I should have allowed Mama Nugu to come in and deliver her message. I didn't know. Your death is indeed a big blow to your loved ones that you left behind. Believe you me, I miss you so much. I can't forget the very first day I met you. It was magical. I'm sorry. I will never forget you.
I'm Abby.
Abby,
Yeah.
are you Yoruba or Igbo?
Okay, I'm half Yoruba, half Igbo.
Oh, what do you mean by that? Which of your parents are Yoruba and Igbo?
Okay, my dad is Yoruba, my mom is Igbo.
Oh, really? Okay, I'm Margaret. Marg for sure.
Or Maggie?
No, don't call me that. I prefer Mag.
Okay, you win.
Yeah, I studied theatre arts in the same university.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's impressive. So Maggie, you are actually so beautiful and so elegant. And you have a likely personality too. So, Maggie, right?
Mag.
I'll call you. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
I appreciate you for coming out.
No problem.
So tell me about you. Tell me about yourself, your family, your siblings, everything. I just want to know.
Well, nothing much. I don't have any siblings. I don't have siblings. I was single-handedly raised by my military father. He lived in the barracks. And then back then in school, they used to make fun of me, call me barracks girl.
You must be a very strong girl then.
Yeah.
Hey.
So tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm a student, University of Lagos, UNILAG, studying political science. I love politics so much. I'm so immersed in politics.
Well, me too. I love politics a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
And that makes us work. So, first,
yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. You've really brought light to my life. I love you. My father likes you.
Yeah, I know. Tell me, what about your mom?
Like I said earlier, my mom is from Lagos State. She's Yoruba. She had me with my dad and then got married and moved on with her life.
don't understand.
According to them, they used to be lovers until she took in. Yeah. But then my dad had to go back to the east, left Lagos, go back to the east to secure a job in the secretariat where he worked in the state capital.
Wow. What a story.
Yeah. I was raised by my grandparents till I was old enough to ask questions. So I asked my mom who my real father is, and when she told me, I had to journey down to Anambra State in search of my father. It's okay. When I got to Anambra State, Oka to be precise, I saw my father and I gave him the picture and he recognized my mom. That was where I finally found out it was my dad.
Well, it's good for one to trace you. At least he accepted you as his bestie.
Yeah, he had other children, but then he accepted me. I'm happy about that. See, the thing was that I was really happy because I found my identity. I wasn't there because of fracas or causing problem or inheritance on properties. I was just happy that I finally got to see my father.
So your stepmom and her children, they seem nice.
Yeah, they are nice people. They accepted me very well, wholeheartedly, and I'm happy about that. Igbos love themselves so much. And most times they'll tease me and call me Onyefe Manu, Omo Yoruba. All the same. Thanks for coming. I appreciate it.
Abe, my sweetheart, you were very intelligent. Well exposed and educated. You went for your doctorate degree even after you graduated with first class in political science. Sweetheart, I'm going to miss you. You are the love of my life. Our children will miss you. Progressive Movement Party will miss you as well. The nation at large is going to miss you. And you, my love,
what is wrong with this pussy of a guy? This pussy of a guy.
What you doing now? You're here. You don't represent. I'm here to eat. I want to eat out. I want to be like that.
I thought Mom and Dad has warned you to desist from this program, haven't they?
I said I'm hungry. I want to eat.
Please don't shut up your mouth. What is wrong with you? What's the problem? All the time you want to eat. You have to wait for Mom and Dad to eat together.
No way. I'm not waiting for Mom and Dad. I want to eat. I'm going to go there and eat anything I see.
If your name is Junior, go and touch that place. No, go there. What are you telling me? Take it. What's the problem? Why don't you wait? All the time you want to eat, you don't do anything in this house. All you do is press button and eat food. Go and touch it. Try me.
I you? You don't want to give me food? Oh, come on, my dad, now. I'm hungry.
I'm going upstairs to call them. If you're a junior, go there and touch that food. Don't wait for them, eh? Touch it. And try and see what I do to you. Like they tell
Sorry, I really need to run. Remember I told you I have a 7 a.m. lecture.
It's alright. Sweetheart, I will drop you up to the campus. Then from there, I will move straight to my office. Then drive to the construction site and see what those boys are doing there.
Okay, that's good. Who is there? Good morning, guys.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Good morning, Mom. How was your night? Fine, thank you. I can see you with a dress.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Breakfast is served.
Oh, nice.
Hope you've given my son something to eat. Mom! He's at the dining. He's waiting.
You know my son does not joke with his food.
Oh! That boy is a U-turn. Let's go.
Food. That's what you don't wait. I told you I was hungry. You're hungry? No, look in your mouth. Look at yourself. You're hungry. All the time you eat and eat food. This is the only thing you want to do in this house. What's going on here? More going on here. Jesus is speaking. Can you imagine that? Can you stop speaking on this boy all the time? No? I give you instructions. I give you to wait and push you and that we can eat together. Don't you want to eat in the
Please sit down and let's eat.
But since he has already started, allow him. Sit down. Don't forget it's your younger brother.
Dad, I know Junior is my younger brother. But his attitude towards food is what I don't like. I mean, just look at him. He's eating like a glutton.
Irene, please sit down and let's eat.
Okay, Mom, you have almost finished his food. I was not even prayed.
Pray, let's eat all.
Bless us, O Lord, and this your gift, which you are about to receive from your bounty through Jesus Christ our Lord.
Amen. Darling.
Yes, honey.
Why does Africans indulge in so much evil?
How do you mean?
My dear, the HOD of the Faculty of Psychology, as we speak right now, is battling with stroke. and another lecturer in the same faculty also has stroke. My question now is why?
Honey, why what?
Why so much evil in the faculty of education, my dear husband? I mean, in an educational sector.
You see, they say that the heart of a woman is desperately wicked.
Desperately wicked?
Yes.
So, but I still ask, why would a human being derive so much joy in inflicting pains on another human being? Why?
You know, my challenge is that those ones are the ones that claim to be more righteous than others.
I'm telling you, it really beats my imaginations with the things I see around.
I'm telling you.
Hello, welcome to Mega Big Group of Companies. You're speaking with Lady Margaret. How may I help you, please?
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Who am I speaking with?
Okay, my name is Jongo, your Asaba distributor.
Oh, Mr. Jacob, how are you?
Very well, my lady. What happened? We have not seen our news.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Jacob. We are experiencing an internal breakdown in my company, believe me. Our lister developed a fault and we have tried to rectify it. But as we speak right now, I've gotten a new lister.
Sorry about that. Only that we are running out of shortage of goods already. Our customers are on our neck.
Okay, I'm so sorry, Mr. Jacob. Very soon you will get all your goods, I assure you.
It's okay, my lady. We are waiting. You know, market.
Alright, Mr. Jacobs, don't worry. You will soon see your goods. Thank you very much. Bye for now.
Thank you, ma'am.
How? Who am I seeing? Look God. Oh, you look God. When did you return from Dubai?
Well, I came in 2 days ago.
And you didn't call me on the phone.
How? Please, pardon my manners.
Wow, good to see you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. I hope you came back with lots of goodies. Because I am coming to shop and shop and shop just to make your bank account more fatter.
Oh my God, thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You see, yeah.
It's your nature.
Yeah.
An audacious display of wealth. And equally possessing some of the character and attributes of Margaret Thatcher of America. I choose to call you Margaret Thatcher of Nigeria.
I've got no issues with how you choose to address me. It's up to you. I like it equally. I like it, Margaret Thatcher.
Thank you.
Alright, so.
Yeah. When are you coming to the house to check the stuff?
Oh, come on, I've got too many workloads on this table waiting for me. See, here's what we're going to do. Get me the things to my house, let me check them. I promise.
Believe me, you will like them. And I will do exactly what you just said.
I trust you, I trust you.
That reminds me, how about Ramsey?
Oh, he's doing very well. Big man now.
That's good.
So tell me what can I offer you?
Huh? Anything.
Okay.
Anything. In fact, hot. Just hot.
What is my office?
Yeah, I'm thinking, my down off the week. I'm like, anything good.
Let her breathe. Let her breathe.
Now, what's up? That's right.
Please let her breathe. Oh.
come out, okay. Not gonna go front. Come out now.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? What is the meaning of what, Mr. Martin? You just called my name. Do I know you from anywhere? Mr. Martin, my name is Chief Additional Adewale. You? Additional Adewale that called me yesterday and you were threatening my life. Oh yes, it's me. You think you can just come all the way from the United States of America and outshine me in my own city? Now listen to me, Additional whatever you call yourself. You know I can get you arrested and charge you to court. Oh, Matthew, save that breath. Look, if you know what is good for you, you better leave this city. Else what? What makes you think I will leave this city for you? You are a contractor, for God's sake. Likewise myself. I own this. I am calling the shots here. This is my home. I own this city. And I call the shots here. This is my state. And my hometown, Christ, for crying out loud. If you know what is good for you, you better live. Or else you have yourself to blame. You are just a toothless, barking dog that cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. American, what you get? Nonsense! You cannot do anything.
Junior, what do you think is happening out there?
I don't know.
Mom? Mom?
Mom? What happened? Dad? Who was the man at the gate?
Who's that fearsome looking man there? Say something, please.
I don't even know him. I think he was the one that called me last night and was threatening fire and brimstone.
No! And you didn't even mention it to me?
He told me his name is Additional Adewale, the one that owns the construction company in this city. I remember we both submitted a proposal to the federal government to construct a federal road. But I won the contract.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. So, he sees you as a rival?
I mean, you know I don't have rivalry. But he made mention of that since I came into the town, he has not been winning any contract.
So, he wants you out of the city then?
I think I have to report it to police.
So he wants you out of the city. Darling, I think we have to go back to the US.
I will report him to the police. he will have to sign an undertaking if anything should happen to me or any members of my family.
Dad, if you can't go back to US, why don't you relocate to another city?
So, there you go again. Huh? If we keep relocating, that means we'll continue relocating from one city to another because of people who sees us as a threat.
So what do we do now? In as much as I understand vividly where you're coming from, I want you to understand that our lives are at stake here. We're no longer safe here.
Like I said, calm down. Everything will be put in place. We're not going to run away for anybody. Okay?
I don't know, but I'm just having a mixed feeling about this whole thing.
Me too, Dad.
Like I said, calm down. I will handle everything. Good.
You sure about that?
Yes.
Darling,
Sweetheart.
I was thinking you would go and make entry today in the police station. But you left it for tomorrow. And you know delay is very dangerous. Anything can happen.
Honey, just calm down. I will do that first thing tomorrow morning. I'll go to police station and report this matter. So calm down.
And the worst is that we are being trailed. This is the exact reason why I frowned at relocating back to this country. So many negative and evil energies around everybody.
He will do nothing. Yes, he cannot do more than a dead rat.
Darling, someone is threatening your life and the life of your entire family and you dare say this?
Honey, I said he will do nothing.
Please, I don't want anything to happen to anybody. I don't want anything to happen to either my kids, you or I. Please.
I don't know what you want to hear from me again. I said calm down, relax, nothing will happen.
I just hope so. I know why I'm saying this. I know the reason why I'm lamenting and it looks like I'm talking too much. I don't want anything to happen to my kids, my husband or myself, please. Let me check what I have in the fire. That's so okay. You know what? Darling, I think we should go downstairs. Let's go to the sitting room and wait for dinner.
Okay. Oh, fine. She should be in the kitchen.
Okay. Do I even have appetite for that meal? Considering what happened earlier today. Imagine, I couldn't go to deliver lectures today because of that man.
I will handle Chief Adesina decisively. Yes, I have to.
Really? I think you have to. I mean, what kind of man would ask his fellow man to leave the town for him? Who does that?
He feels he has wings and caprice. He feels he has gotten the guts. But I will teach him a lesson. I will take him to the higher authorities.
Exactly. You have to. But then you just have to be very careful. This was exactly the reason why the kids and I refused relocating down to this country.
Well, the country is our own, Nigeria is our own. And I believe that the government and the citizens have to make Nigeria great. I promise you that Nigeria will be good again.
I agree with you. But the likes of Additional should be swept out of this country. If possible, imprisoned.
Now you are talking like my professor.
On the professorship aside, I am scared to death. Yes, this country is not a safe place to stay. While we were abroad, we heard of the terrible things going on in this country. And that was why the kids and I refused coming back here. But my darling husband was hell-bent on bringing us down here. Now look at it. And you know very well I've not really lived in this country much since I was born.
Honey, it's okay. Stop lamenting. I know what to do. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm going straight to a police station to report a threat to life. So calm down.
That's just the best option. That's the best thing you have to do. I can't wait for the day to break already.
Of course, I will do that. Yes. Yes. All right.
Also, we don't do much.
What are you three doing here? In fact, how did you gain access into my house?
My boss will talk to the open mouth to talk.
I dey tell you, come on, go down! I think you go down!
I will blow your head. About 5 kilometers.
Additional. What is the meaning of this?
But I told you I own this. But you decided to call the police on me instead of leaving this city quietly like a woman. What? You and every member of your family will not live to see tomorrow. They speak in tongues. Where are the contract papers? All the papers of everything that you own, including the construction firm.
And what is that supposed to be? What do you need the papers for?
Nothing. You're a dead man, right? And dead men don't need property. They don't own property.
Additional, or whatever you call yourself, you must be sick in the head. To think I will release my documents and the papers to you. Do your worst.
I'm on assignment with Telco. They make her tell you the bad.
mercy. No. I promise first thing tomorrow morning we will leave this city and go back to the US, please.
My dear, that is too late.
Additional. What do you want to do?
I asked you to give me those documents. Hand them over to me now and don't waste my precious time.
I will rather die than to give you those documents.
Oh, at the count of 5 if I don't have those papers on my hands. Then, consider this place a dynasty of bloodshed. 1, 2, 3.
Never.
4.
I will rather die than to give you those papers.
Then, you're joking. Can I have those papers now?
Never. Never. I would rather die than to give you those documents.
Sam, I know you have a daughter. Let's go and look for her.
Then let's find her.
Robocop! Let's go! Let's go! Please, come on.
Daddy. Daddy.
Go inside the room, Harry.
Okay, Daddy.
Yes.
Sorry, Daddy. Sorry. Okay. Daddy, what's file? Sorry. Daddy, please let me take you to the hospital.
For cheating.
Daddy.
better, so you would lie and hate. There's no second guessing. That's how you sleep. Evil that people do, catches with them, Shamil. So be careful, yeah. Whatever you do, so let her breathe, let her breathe, let her breathe, breathe, let it pour. Do you even have a conscience? When you go to sleep at night, how do you sleep? As you made your bed, so you would lie and hate. There's no second guessing. That's how you sleep. Evil that people do, catches with them, Shamil. So be careful, yeah. Whatever you do, so let her breathe, let her breathe, let her breathe, breathe, let it pour, breathe, let them breathe. I'm begging you, please, oh please, let her breathe, let her breathe, let her breathe, let her breathe, please let her breathe. How do you feel? I wanna know, yeah. What have you gained at the top of your mind? Deep down your soul, can you tell me now? What have you done? Heart of stone, heart of evil. When you see the tears,
doing here? Good body, Mom. You stink! What are you doing here? Mom. Did I not warn you? Hold on. Are you a witch? Mama. Did I not warn you not to stay in the premises? You had a nerve to come into my room, to lie on my bed with your stinking body. You must be out of your mind.